G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today I thought I would show you guys a little product that I got in the mail yesterday. So last week I ordered Skin Physics Lash and Brow Magic Enhancing Treatment. I say it quite a bit. I do not like my eyelashes or my eyebrows currently. I'm going to get them waxed today because they're horrible at the moment. So is my face. I need to take better care of it. Anyway, so I got this little doobie and with it came a free gift. So Skin Physics sent out this. Skin Physics Super Lips Anti-Aging Lip Plumper. Now, I love my lipsticks. I love my matte lipsticks. I love showing off my lips because I think they're one of my best features. And I've noticed quite a bit when you're wearing matte lipstick that the wrinkles in your lips show 100 times more. It's like unbelievably ridiculous. So if you look at my lips, you can see they've got all the wrinkly bits and weirdness to them like everybody else's does. Now this anti-aging lip plumper adds fullness to thin lips. They're not thin, but still. 3D sculpting lip recovery, which is probably what the little wrinkles in my lips are. Needle-free vertical lip lines and wrinkle treatment. I just called them wrinkles, so there you go. And then it's got the ingredients on that side.
Designed for instantly lush and plumper, more volumized lips with long-term needle-free results. Instantly plumps, smooths, and fills lips without injections with microsphere hyaluronic acid. I've seen that word before, but can't ever say it properly. Immediately moisturizes, softens, and enhances natural lip color with the white mustard extract. Can't talk today. Light, stimulating burst of organic peppermint oil. Scientifically proven for treating vertical wrinkles around lips with something extract. Swertia charata extract, I don't know. Improves lip fullness with visible 3D effect on lip volume, shape and texture with volulip peptide and portula pilosa extract. Formulated by Skin Physics with 97% natural ingredients.
Directions. Use day and night on clean, dry lips. So I have just brushed my teeth, cleaned my lips off and everything. Apply this non-sticky cream with the one tip applicator directly to lips and around the lip contour. So I don't really need a mirror to see what I'm doing for this because if I screw it up, it doesn't matter. Allow to absorb completely before applying lipstick. For maximum results, apply twice daily or as needed throughout the day. Cool. Do not ingest and avoid contact with eyes. Same old, same old. So it comes in this little tube. Again, this was a free gift, so I don't know how much it's worth or anything like that. And again, it's got the directions on the back. So yeah, let's give this a go, shall we? Ooh, yes, you can smell the peppermint. Very much so. Okay. Alright, so I just finished putting this on, which you would have seen. I don't know why I said it like that. It has a very cooling effect. You know how when, I don't know, when you first put ice on your skin, that really nice cool effect you get, that's what it feels like on my lips right now. I'm very much able to smell the peppermint. It reminds me of the peppermint Burt's Bees lip balm. That's what it smells like to me. But yeah, I don't know if my lips, I mean, they look a little different. They look a little bit more kissable. But I mean, the wrinkles are a little bit better. They're not completely fixed, but then again, this is not a, my lips definitely look bigger. Look at them. This is me just holding them normally. But no, you can see that it's visibly fixed up some of the wrinkles down the bottom and at the top. And it does feel nice. It feels very, very nice. So yeah, that was the Skin Physics Super Lips Anti-Aging Lip Plumper. For people like my sister probably need this. I really shouldn't be using something like this because my lips are already pretty decent shape. My sister has no top lip, so I mean, I could send her some if she wants. But yeah, that was the Skin Physics Super Lips Anti-Aging Lip Plumper. Woo! Now I'm just going to be smelling peppermint for the rest of the day, but that's a wrap for this video. Oh wait, no, okay. New schedule update. So I do still upload videos, except for this week, Monday to Saturday, but they are now going to be uploaded in Australia of a night time, just because it's easier for me, especially with my new job being all mornings except Wednesdays, which is all day, but it's just easier to do stuff in the afternoon and then upload at night. So yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys! I'm in a really weird mood today.